today, hindi nyo muna kami makikita sa kalsada or sa any tourist destination spots. Dahil for this vlog, we're going to unbox one of the famous action cameras available in the market. Ayan, so this is the GoPro Hero 10. Ayan. So, nabili namin to sa Lazada. Other GoPro Lazada official store. So, yan. And since this is from their official store, meron silang freebies na JLab wireless headset. So, kasama yun dun sa box. So, later makikita natin during the unboxing. But for now, kaya namin napili ang GoPro Hero 10 compared to other action cameras available in the market because of their first is the GP2 processor. Yan, so mabilis na yung performance ni GoPro compared to the old models na medyo may paghang or medyo matagal mag on-off or whatnot. Yan. So the second one is the 5.3K shooting at 60 FPS. So yan, sobrang ganda na yan for more cinematic videos. But of course, hindi pa rin mawawala sa kanila yung 4K shooting at 120 FPS. Ayan. Okay. So also for their photo, mas malaki na, of course. So, it's 23 megapixels. So, sobrang linaw na rin. And, syempre, yung isang factor na kaya namin napili si GoPro, it's because of the Hyper Smooth 4.0. So, extreme sports activities. So, we know na yung activities or content namin is more of bikes, travels, sports, water sports. Kaya, para sa smooth videos and wala nang shaky clips. Yan. So, we chose GoPro. Kasi meron namang mga extra accessories for the 360 and whatnot na available or yung mga available features sa other competitors ni GoPro. So, yan. Without further ado, let's unbox this GoPro Hero 10.
So, ito yung box na dumating from Lazada. Yan. So, lahat ng sides merong Lazada security seal. Ayan, yung blue tape. Okay? So, we have to get a scissor para mas madaling buksan. Yan. Also, suggestion, mga ka-Juanderers, na whenever you receive a package na gadget or whatever, take a video of the unboxing or kahit anong pag-open lang ng package para may proof kayo na ito yung dumating or ito yung mga gadget or products na dumating sa inyo. Yan. So, especially itong mga gadgets, mas important yan. Alright? So, ito yung nasa loob. So, the JLab wireless headset and of course, yung GoPro. Ayan. So, maganda yung pagkakapackaging nila Lazada dito kasi naka-bubble wrap talaga siya. Okay? So, eto, check natin yung JLab wireless Bluetooth na freebies. So, yung box lang yung titignan natin. Hindi ko na i-open to. Kasi may focus tayo sa GoPro. Ayan. So, thank you for the freebies, GoPro. Ayan, JLab. So, hindi ko mabasa yung iba kasi Chinese yung character. Ayan. Alright. So, itabi muna natin to. And let's get the GoPro Hero 10. Yan. Excited na akong buksan. Sharan! Ayan. So, naka-plastic pa. So, ganito nyo makukuha yung product or yung GoPro once ma-deliver sa inyo. So, since overseas to, so from Hong Kong, na-receive namin to 1 week after ma-order. Ayan. So, let's open. Ayan. So, naka-plastic pa talaga siya. Okay. Okay. Ayan. So, ang maganda dito kay Hero 10 and from the previous models, yung kasama ngayon is hard case na, hindi tulad dati na plastic. Ayan. So, ito yung mismong Hero 10. And, ayan, nakalagay na yung mga features like yung photo, yung video resolution available, tapos yung depth, and yung GP2 processor. Plus yung Hypersmooth 4.0. So, yan yung mga nakalagay. And then dito sa side, yan yung mga other features ni GoPro Hero 10. Makikita natin yan dito. And sa back side, ayun din, yung mga features. Yan. So, buksan na natin. Okay. Yan. So, ang ganda ng packaging ngayon ni GoPro for the latest versions. Yan. So, ito yung hard case na sinasabi ko kanina. Instead of yung plastic for the previous models. Kasi at least magagamit mo na. So, instead na you buy a case, so, makakabili pa tayo ng other accessories for the GoPro instead of buying this case dati na separate pa. So, yan. So, once you open the case, ayan ang makikita natin. So, yung manuals, of course, yung sticker, free sticker yan. Okay? Yan. So, yan din yung manual na hindi binabasa. Bihira ang nagbabasa. Okay. And of course, yung cable. Charging cable. So, you have the USB and the Type-C side. So, Type-C na to ngayon si GoPro Hero 10. And the free battery. So, isa lang yan. Pero I suggest na bili kayo ng additional 1 or 2 batteries pa plus yung charging dock. Yan. Then this one is another freebie, so mount. So more of helmet mount ito from 3M. Kaya matibay talaga yan pag dinikit. Yan. So, ayan, rubber rin to. Different din siya from the previous freebies. Ayan, paano ba ikabit ito? Ayan. So, ngayon ko lang nakita tong ganitong mount na ni GoPro. Kasi sa iba or sa previous one, walang ganitong rubber. Ayan. Tatanggalin pala yun. Then, tsaka mo i-mount. Yeah. There you go. Ayan. Tsaka natin i-mount. So, if mali ako, mga ka-Wanderers, please let me know sa comment section kung para saan talaga yung rubber na yun. Ayan. Then, ito yung screw, of course. Ayan. Isa lang yung free. Okay? So, maganda to sa helmet for our bikes. And, of course, ito yung bagong GoPro Hero 10. Yan. So, same lang din ng physical features with GoPro Hero 9. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang is yung color ng GoPro. And this one, ayan yung lalagyanan. So, mas maganda siguro tong case. Meron ng division. Tulad ng mga nabibili sa market na division din na parang sponge. And yan yung case. Yan. Recycle. So, I think ito na rin yung gagamitin namin for this one. Okay, so, ayan, tanggalin na natin yung mga, eto, para siyang papel. Yan, careful lang, baka malaglag. Okay. Alright. Ayan, alright. So, here's the GoPro Hero 10. And ito yung clip sa ilalim. So, this is built-in for mounting and for mounting to different accessories. Okay? So, nandyan na rin yung speaker and yung mic. So, itong screen na to is, once mabasa, ang bagong feature is, hindi na siya magkakaroon ng watermarks. Na, which is annoying. And this is the power. This is the screen, the back screen, and ito yung battery gauge. So, yan. Medyo matigas siya, guys. So, you have to pull it na may power. Yan. So, nasa loob yung lalagyanan. And, of course, lalagay natin yung battery. Ayan. Okay. So, here's the battery. And, nandito na rin yung lalagyanan ng SD card. So, I suggest na you use an SD card na 64 pataas. So, we usually use 128 gigabytes. And this is a strontium. Pero, you can also use SanDisk. Ayan, so, lagay natin. Oops, mali. Baliktad. Alright, and there you go. Ayan, so nandiyan na rin yung charging port for USB-C cable. Ayan, tas you have to put a power din para i-close yung door, battery door, kasi yan yung purpose niya for waterproof, of course. Kaya mahigpit. Okay, so yan, power natin. Alright. Yan, napansin nyo, ang bilis na ngayon nung pag-open niya. Kasi nga, because of the GP2 processor. So, set up natin muna. Ay, mali. Naging French. So, English. Yan, there you go. Accept. Turn on. Alright, so, etong notification na to, we have to install Quick App sa mobile para mag-continue yung setup and ma-pair si GoPro sa Quick App. So, yan. So, this is the end of the video of the unboxing since I need to connect muna yung GoPro to my Quick App sa phone. Thank you for watching mga ka-Wanderers. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga ina-upload namin dito sa aming channel. Thank you!